I would like to introduce my latest article. The title is Estimation of Robust Invariant Set for Switched Linear Systems using Recursive State Updating and Robust Invariant Ellipsoid. It is important to estimate the effect of disturbance for the control system. This slide shows the sequence of the state by disturbance. When disturbance is peak bounded, then the state is into an robust invariant set. State robust invariant set is useful for estimate the effect of disturbance for the control system. One characteristic is that there exists a countless number of robust invariant sets for the system. Evaluate the effect of disturbance to the control system is achieved by estimating the state robust invariant set. So it is required to estimate the set accurately. In this paper, we estimate robust invariant set for switching system. We consider n number of subsystems for a linear system. It is difficult to estimate the robust invariant set accurately than the case of linear systems. In the paper, discrete time switched linear system is considered. Sigma is switching signal and we consider arbitrary switching. The disturbance is peak bounded disturbance. Then we want to estimate minimum robust invariant set for this framework. Key idea for accurate estimation of the robust invariant set is shown in this slide. We consider two terms. One term is about input and another is about the initial state. We set initial state x0 equals to 0 and update using disturbance which satisfies this equation. And first step k equals 0 and the sector bound is larger when k goes to infinity. On the other hand, the term about initial state is given like this. The robust invariant ellipsoid using common Lyapunov function is used as an initial set for the set for switching system. The state updating with 0 input is considered. Then k equals 0 to infinity. The set becomes smaller when k goes to infinity. Since switching system is in a field of linear system, the direct sum of input set and the initial state set can be regarded as a robust invariant set for each k. When k goes to larger, small invariant set can be obtained. We can estimate robust invariant set from outside. When we set k larger as much as possible, small set can be obtained from this sequence. This slide shows a main result. The key idea is applied for switched linear system. In method 1, find sum of all switching behavior for each input timing. Polyhedral set can be obtained. Method 2, robust invariant ellipsoid using common Lyapunov function for each switching behaviors. We show numerical example. We consider switched linear system with two subsystems. The peak of disturbance is given like this. This is the result. Blue set show proposed method and gray set is invariant ellipsoid by a previous method. Black region show feed-forward updating. Note that the black set is not an invariant set. In case k equals 2, the set is smaller than invariant ellipsoid. And when k goes to larger, small set can be obtained. So small robust invariant set can be obtained for switched system. In our paper, various types of simulation results can be seen. We conclude this video. We can estimate accurately the robust invariant set for switching system. Thank you for viewing.